Good morning, everybody. This is Art from Pro Italia, coming here to show you a 2021 Aprilia Rsv4 Factory. It's pretty damn clean. It's got some nice little mods. From what I've seen, it's got some levers, the bar ends, light tech rear sets. One of my personal favorites, the SC1R SC Project exhaust. I love those things. Tail tidy. Let's see what else. Check it out. It's got 10,489 miles. I don't see any drop points, none of that stuff. Let's see. Looks like got newer tires. The only thing I see, little rash here. Let's give it a cold start. Yeah. As always, I don't like revving them too much because they're cold, but give it a little rev. Sounds good. Come check it out. We do allow test rides. We do ship nationwide. At least in the lower 48 states. Any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call. My name is Art again. I'm in sales, so happy to help, and have a good one.